Today we're diving into the Legends Bracket Triglde Bank Legend 1313 to 0120 kit, designed to elevate your Triglide experience. This kit promises to level out your Triglide, addressing the common issue of a low-sitting rear end. By relocating the rear lower shock mounts 1.25 inches higher than stock, it provides approximately 1.6 inches of additional ground clearance at the rear. This upgrade not only reduces the risk of scraping your exhaust pipes on curbs or dips in the road, but also enhances steering dynamics by shortening the trail in the front end. The kit replaces the OE lower shock mount brackets, ensuring a sturdy and reliable fit. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or tackling uneven terrain, the Legends Bracket Triglde Bank Legend 1313 to 0120 kit promises to deliver enhanced performance and maneuverability for your Triglide. If you're looking to optimize your ride's clearance and handling, this kit might just be the upgrade you've been searching for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.